Installation video for swivel mounting stand for POS terminals. Step 1. Position the arm clamps. Slide the clamps to match your payment terminal size. Step 2. Locking the clamps in place. Tighten both screws on each clamp to lock the arms in place for your checkout terminal. With the clamps secured, the stand is ready. Place your POS device onto the backplate, ensuring it sits securely. Once mounted, you can easily swivel and tilt the POS device to the perfect angle for your workspace. AGOZ Swivel and Tilt POS Stand. Secure, adjustable, professional.